My name is Dr. Chris Surik, course chairman and founder for the Academy for Injection Anatomy, and I'm very excited about this new partnership with AmSpa. What we've done now is we've taken the course and made it a 2-day comprehensive course looking at neurotoxin science, rheology and gel science, complication management, the role of ultrasound in filler injection, and then our full face anatomy course. We've added new, fresh content as well as the additional Cadaver Lab hands-on, where they will perform cross-sectional dissection, open up and see the anatomy. And I love cross-sectional dissection because it allows us to see everything as it interplays with itself. Where are the ligaments, the vessels, the fat compartments, and all the potential targets and danger zones the injector can encounter. I'm really excited about this new course curriculum, and I'm really excited about the year ahead.